Yeah, hello friends. So welcome to our channel. So now we'll be going to do a new chapters for an option trading strategies. Okay, so we'll be starting from the beginner level and we'll be going to end up this chapter with an expert levels. Okay, so from the beginning, so what is an option? What are the terms used? So all will be covering in this chapters. Okay, so if you are a newcomer or if you're watching our channel for the first time, then please do subscribe to our channel and also click on that bell icon. And also we have uploaded lot many videos for an option strategies for from beginner levels to an expert levels. Okay, so please do watch all those videos so that you will get some ideas about how the option strategies work and how to do an technical analysis and do multiple strategies. Okay, so this is for an educational content and this is not any recommendation as well. And this is my Twitter ID, and also will be posting our Twitter ID and the Telegram channels in the descriptions as well, so please do follow us. Okay, so let's get deep into an option strategy. Okay, so this is option trading strategies chapter 1. Okay, so option trading history in Indian market. Okay, so in India, exchange introduced options trading on June 4th 2001 to trade in indexes. Okay, and after introducing the option trading in indexes, so the exchanges actually introduced the stock option trading on the day of 2nd July 2001. Okay, so till 2001 2nd July, so from 4th, so there is only an indexes options trading, and after that they introduced for the individual stock options. Okay, so and around 80% of the derivatives are traded or in options and 20% would be in the future segments. Okay, so option tradings will give you the more liquidity and there will be a lot of volumes available than the future segments. Okay, and also NSE turns to be the world's largest exchange in derivative tradings in terms of a volume. Okay, so NSE is the world's largest exchange with the huge traded derivatives tradings. Okay, so now let's get enter into an advantage of option trading. So advantages of option trading are the leverage. Okay, so option trading requires a little amount to start with. It requires less money to acquire the large size of an underlying asset. For example, the trader will requires 1.5 lakh to buy the 1,000 shares at the price of rupees 150. Okay, so if the stock is trading at the price of 150, then to acquire the 1,000 shares we need the amount of 1,50,000, right? But whereas in options you can buy the same amount of shares at the lesser price by buying an option. Okay, and flexible in future trading we can earn money if the underlying asset which I'm meaning here is the underlying stock. Okay, so for example, let's take an example of SBI or ITC or whatever it is. So this is if the market, this underlying stock is going to either move up or move down, only in that situation we can earn money in the future trading. So after, if you're entering the future trade and the market is if the stock doesn't move either upside or downside, so you will be not earning any money in this future trading, right? But we can earn money in option trading based on the below conditions. Okay, so if the underlying is moving higher, or if the underlying is moving lower, or if the underlying is moving sideways, or underlying's volatility increase or decrease, so in all these situations we can make money in the options. Okay, so in futures we'll make money only based on two situations. One is if the stock moves higher or if the stock moves lower. Okay, so only these two situations we can make money. But whereas in options we can make money even if the stock moves higher or lower or sideways, or even if the stock is not moving anywhere but only the volatility increases. Even in these situations we can make money in the options. Okay, unlimited loss and unlimited profit. One can earn unlimited money with a limited loss if he is an option buyer. Okay, so these things we'll be going to get into in the deeper next chapters. So right now just understand that these are all the advantages of options trading. Okay, so what is option in stock market? So option is the right to either buy or sell an underlying asset at the predefined price at the time of expiry. So if you want to buy the stock at the certain level at the time of expiry, if you are willing to buy the stock only if the stock price reaches that level, then that is the right to buy. And for example, let's say right now the SBI is at the price of 100 and you are willing to buy the stock only if the price moves to 150. Okay, so this is in this situation you will be buying a call option, and if the if the SBI reaches to the 150, then you will be going to buy that stock, or else you are not if the stock is not going to reach the 150, then you are not going to buy that stock at the price of 150. So this is where the option buyer is having the rights to either buy or sell an underlying asset. Okay, so we have two types of options. So one is call option. Call option is the right to buy, not obligation to buy a share at the fixed price on or before the expiry date. Okay, so this is the example which I told earlier, right? So if you are willing to buy the SBI stock at the price of 150, then you need to buy the call option, and if the stock price reaches that 150, then you have the right to buy the stock. And if that doesn't reach the 150 price level, then there is not an obligation to buy the stock at the price of 150, means like, or whatever the price it's trading at. Okay, so if you're expecting the up move of the stock, then you should buy the call option of that stock. Okay, so put option is the right to sell but not obligation to sell a share at the fixed price on or before expiry date. If a trader is expecting the down move of the stock, then he should buy the put option to get the profit. So let's say you are willing to buy the SBI. SBI is trading at the level of 100 now, and for example you are willing to buy the stock only if it reaches the level of 80. Okay, in this situation you should buy the put option and you'll be paying the premium. Okay, so once you have paid that amount, you have got the right to sell the shares. And let's say you are holding this stock and you are willing to sell at the same price. Okay, so this is the put option. So option trading jargon. So what are the common terms used in the option tradings? Okay, underlying. Option moves based on its underlying. Example, Nifty is an underlying for the Nifty options. Okay, so this is so whatever the underlying stocks, right? So that is known as an underlying, and the strike price is, it's a predefined price at which underlying can be bought or sold on expiry day by call or put option buyer respectively. Okay, so if you are an call option buyer, then you can buy the stock, or if you're a put option buyer, then you can sell the stock at the predefined price, whichever the strike price you are choosing to buy for both call and put options. Okay, so expiry date is the day, this is the date when the options expire. So trader can close on or before the expiry date. Before the expiry date as well, he can close the trade in the option trading. And all NSE options will expire at the last Thursday of every month for each individual stocks. Okay, so then option premium. So option premium is the price which is option buyer ready to pay for buying an option is an option premium. Okay, so option buyer will pay the premium and seller will receive the premium. So there is three types of options available. So options terms available for an option premiums, we used to say. One is in the money option, right? So in the money option is, for call in the money option, the strike prices whichever lower than the underlying assets is known as an in the money. And if you take look at the put option, then the strike prices whichever higher than the underlying asset is known as an in the money put option. Okay, so at the money, here's the strike price which is equal to or nearby the underlying stock price is known as an at the money for both call and put option. Okay, so out the money options, right? So call option out the money is the strike price higher than the underlying asset, and for the put option OTM, it is the strike price whichever lower than the underlying asset is known as an OTM options. Okay, so this is an example. So here you can see, so this is I have took an option chain example of an ITC. So here you can see this is an underlying stock, so which is an 206.85. Okay, so you can see that now the nearby to the 206 is 205, which is an strike price available, right? So this side belongs to an call option and this side belongs to an put option, and this is an strike price. Okay, so this 205 both call and put option is known as an ATM options. Okay, which is an at the money option. Okay, and the strike price which is lower than the underlying stock on the call side, this belongs to an OTM call option, and the strike prices which are higher than the underlying stock is known as an in the money call option. Okay, so that is a mistake. I mentioned it as an OTM. So this is an in the money call options. Okay, sorry, I have made a mistake. So this is an OTM call option, and this is an in the money call option, whichever is in lower than the current strike price, current underlying stock price. Okay, if you look at the put option, so whichever is lower than the strike price is lower than the underlying stock, or the OTM put option, and the strike price whichever higher than the underlying stock is known as an in the money put options. Okay, so this is an example. So the box which I've mentioned in the blue color is belongs to one in the money, and the options whichever I mentioned in the red color belongs to one out the money, and the yellow color belongs to one at the money options. Okay, so now thanks for watching, friends. So please do subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon so that you'll be getting the notification whenever we upload the videos. And this is so you can wait for some more trade ideas to be loaded, and the options learnings journey to be videos which we'll be posting in the future as well. So thanks for watching, friends.